Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on 5G in your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. First, you need to go to the settings on your Samsung S25 Ultra. From here you need to go to the connections. Here you need to find mobile network, which you will find it right here. You need to tap on it, and here you will find the network mode, which is now set to 5G preferred. Once you tap on it, suppose if it is LTE preferred or 3G preferred, like suppose I will change it to this one, and from here you need to tap again. So just select 5G preferred and it will change to 5G. Let me bring it close to the camera. As you can see, it has been changed. So guys, this is all it takes to turn on 5G in your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.